Hello, and welcome back to car version videos with Ashley. Today, Ipsy came in the mail, so I'm gonna unbox it here in the car with you guys. Hold on. Pause for the thumbnail. Okay, that's good. So, it's hot. I have to turn the AC back on. Sorry if you hear that, guys, in the background. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My filming setups are kind of weird right now, so sometimes filming in my car is a little bit easier for me. Let me know if you like this. Let me know if it's basic. Let me know if you think it's pretty normal. Leave a comment down below. Also, if you like my videos, if you like seeing me, hit the subscribe button. That would mean the world to me. And give this video a thumbs up because that helps me out. And then it lets me know if you guys like Ipsy unboxings or unbaggings. Which ones do you like? What do you say? Is it unbagging or unboxing? Because it's technically a bag, you know. So I did cheat. I looked at the app. I'll leave a link down below sharing with you all. Like, it explains what Ipsy is and like how you can get it, blah blah blah. But I download the app, and that way I can keep track of when I'm gonna get it and what I'm gonna get. So, oh my goodness. Wait, where's the card? Okay, I guess the card's in the bag. This bag is actually green. I have one similar to it, but it's black that we got last year, but this one's green. And I don't know how I feel about that. Don't know if I like that or not. So, let's see what is in this bag. I don't want to make this video too long. Alright, so, the theme for this month is Bury Yourself. Use your 5 glam bag pics to celebrate and highlight all of the things you love. This is what the card looks like. Beautiful, ladies, beautiful. Love the gap. On self-love, and it says 3 Ipsy staffers share their stories. I would read those, but I'm not going to. So the first thing in here that I was super excited about, because I don't own any Huda Beauty products simply because they're so expensive, but it's a Huda Beauty lip contour in the shade Trophy Wife, and it's a lip pencil. And it's a really pretty color. I like that. I think I have a lot of lipsticks and lip colors that will match this. So I like it, but it seems more of like a folly color. And honestly, I am gonna have to look into seeing if this is cruelty free, because I've kind of gone cruelty free. I'm no longer purchasing makeup brands stuff that is cruelty free, and if I accidentally purchase it without knowing that it's not cruelty free, then more than likely I'm gonna donate it or give it to a friend who isn't like cruelty free yet. Or doesn't really care. I mean, some people care, some people don't. It just all depends. Nothing against people who aren't cruelty free. Like, a lot of makeup is really cool that isn't. It's just, recently I've just decided that for me to keep my makeup collection a little bit smaller and everything, that it would be easier for me to go cruelty free. And just because I love animals, I support animals 100%. I'm not vegan. That is a whole different topic, so, and I'm rambling, getting off subject, but if you guys want to know more about my decision to go cruelty free makeup wise, then I can make a whole separate video about that. But now the next thing in here that I just pulled out is called Estate Do Me Baked Highlight Powder. This is what the packaging looks like. Don't know if you can tell, but wow, I have so many highlighters. So we'll see. Is this cruelty free? Cruelty free, paraben free. This lip pencil does not have any thing that says cruelty free, so I'm gonna have to look into that. If you guys know, leave a comment down below, share. Oh, this is really pretty. This is pretty. This is what the packaging looks like. That's the highlight. It's like a yellowy golden color. It's a pretty good size. Definitely smells like powder for sure. Let me swatch this for you all. Can you see that? I don't know. Oh yeah, I can see it, so I don't know if you guys can see it, but I can see it, and it's really, really pretty. Doesn't have like glitter in it, which is good. I like that. Kind of powdery. It's not really smooth like a lot of highlighters that I have, but I do like it, so that's cool. That'll be good to travel with. The next thing that I'm pulling out in here, oh, I have bubble wrap. I love bubble wrap. Okay, that was a fail. It's called Space Case Cosmetics, and this is Intense Stargasm. It's a blush, and it is cruelty free, which is hella awesome. That's the box. Let's try to get it out.
Say what?
Okay. On the back of this, it definitely says blush. Like, the box says blush. But on the front, it says eyeshadow. See, I don't know if you can read that, but right there it says blush. And on the front, it says eyeshadow. Okay. What is it? Maybe you can use it as a highlighter. I don't know. But that's the packaging. It looks like a single eyeshadow, which is really cool. And, oh, my nose is running. And that normally happens when I do my makeup. Ooh. It's kind of smooth. Almost reminds me of the ColourPop, but not as smooth. That's a pretty, like, light gray. It's kind of pigmented. Not really that pigmented. But, alright. The thing though is it is cruelty free, so that's cool. Next thing I'm gonna pull out that's in here is Smile in Your Incredible Jelly Shot Lip Quencher. And it doesn't say that this is cruelty free on here. I'll have to look it up, but and I would take it's called an extra bench. It looks like this. I'll have to take the plastic wrap off to taste, like, to try it, but I'm gonna Google and see if it's cruelty free first before I open it, because if it's not, then I would like to, like, give something that's not open yet away to a friend or something, so, or maybe a giveaway, I don't know. But yeah, so we'll save that. I'm not gonna open that. I was gonna try it on, but it's not cruelty free, so. And this is made in Korea. So then the very last thing is Papa Recipe Right for Skin Bombi Honey Moisture Cleansing Foam. I have so much face skincare stuff, it's ridiculous. Bombi Honey Moisture Cleansing Foam offers a gentle cleansing experience with its rich Everscent lather, leaving the skin feeling all day hydrated without stripping the skin. It says not for sale. 12 months after opening. 12 months is how long this lasts, and it's made in Korea. So I'm pretty sure it's not cruelty free, but this is what it looks like, in case you guys are wondering. And I might give this away as well, because it's not cruelty free, maybe. I don't know. I'll have to Google all this. And I will try to leave like a pinned message. I'll leave a pinned message down below whether it's cruelty free or not. Have like glitter all over my hand. Good thing I have hand sanitizer. Oh snap, just made my hand all glittery. Well, so that is my Ipsy for this month. Honestly, like I go back and forth between like months, like, oh, I think I'll cancel it this month, or oh, I'll get it this month. Like, I don't need all of these small size products because I already get BoxyCharm. And I like BoxyCharm a hell of a lot better. But I think I'm gonna cancel next month of Ipsy. I'm not sure. This is good for people who like don't use a lot of makeup and don't go through makeup as often. Smaller size products are probably more for you. So, you know, but if you're interested, you know, you can leave this down below. Ipsy also now has like a $25 a month, like this is $10 a month, but Ipsy also has like a bigger subscription box now, kind of like BoxyCharm. I think you get a little bit more products, I'm not sure, but it has high-end full-size products in it. So but I have not done that yet since I do BoxyCharm. Like, BoxyCharm is good enough for me right now, so maybe one day I'll try it out. Let me know if you guys have tried out the Ipsy Plus, I think that's what it's called. Let me know if you like getting Ipsy, if you have tried it. If you haven't, let's just start a conversation down below, your opinions of it. And like I said before the beginning, please give this video a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot. And subscribe on your way out if you haven't already, in case you forgot. And I hope you guys like this video, car style. You know, it's just kind of becoming my jam. And I've come up with a new series that I'm gonna start doing. Like, I'm gonna start editing it this week, I think. It's called, like, you know, on Snapchat they have the Bitmoji story thing. Well, I'm gonna be doing something with that, so stay tuned for that. Definitely subscribe. It's gonna be kind of different. It's not gonna be makeup related, it's gonna be comedy related. So I just like to keep a diversity on here, you know, nothing wrong with that. Alright, I'm talking really fast, and I need to go do some errands and stuff, so, and I'm really hungry. Haven't had lunch today, so yeah. Alright, I love you guys. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one. Hope you're having a great day. Bye.